Can you solve this math challenge? Here's the question. Given this equation, k plus 1 over k equals 1, our goal is to solve for the numerical value of k raised to the power 15, given that k is a complex number. You can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. Alright, now suppose you pause this video. Now let's see if you got the correct answer. So, we know for sure that k here is a complex number, not a real number. And also, observing this equation, k plus 1 over k equals 1. This k is in the denominator. It follows also that k is not equal to 0. Otherwise, this is undefined. Alright, we will use this condition a lot. Alright, so we know that k is not equal to 0 because what we're going to do is to multiply both sides by k. Since k is not equal to 0, we are not multiplying both sides by 0. So this is legal. Now on the left-hand side, this is just k squared plus 1. And on the right-hand side, this is just k. Next, if we want to solve the value of k squared, just subtract 1 on both sides. So k squared equals k minus 1. Now, let's set aside a copy of this result. So we know that k squared equals k minus 1. Now, what we're going to do is to use again this condition that k is not equal to 0. So let's multiply both sides by k again. The left-hand side is just k cubed, and on the right-hand side, we have k squared minus k. Now, we know the value of k squared. This is just k minus 1. So we can replace this k squared with k minus 1. Now, k minus k, this is just cancel out or simply equal to 0. So we have k squared equals negative 1. Now, I know for sure you said that k equals negative 1. That's the real value of k. But here, k is a complex number. So we want the complex value for the variable k. And here, since we want the value of k raised to the power of 15, so what we're going to do is to raise both sides by 5. Because 3 multiplied by 5, this is just 15. And the negative 1 raised to the power of 5, this is just still negative 1. And that is the numerical value of k raised to the power of 15. And that is our answer to this question. Therefore, given that k plus 1 over k equals 1, where k is a complex number, then k raised to the power of 15 equals negative 1. And as always, we are done.